Now, there are two apps in the package, 3D motion photos and live motion photos. In this video, we'll go through the live motion photos app. Just click on Start Application, and either you can upload an image from your computer or search from the stock photos. Let's click on stock photos and let's search for dust car here. Just click on search and you will get a lot of images. In this case, let's quickly choose this one for an example. I'll just choose the size. You can toggle between landscape, square, mobile, and free crop, right? In this case, let's quickly do landscape and let's choose this and let's click on proceed. Just give it a second to load. Now here what you're gonna do is we need to make the smoke move. We are putting the smoke into the motion. So there are two things here. First thing is draw direction and second thing is pinpoint. I suggest you to choose pinpoint first and mark the area that you don't want to be animated in the photo. In this case, we don't want this car to be animated. Let's do this real quick. Cool. Now, once this is marked, choose the directions and just show the directions of the smoke. In this case, I want this to be gone in this direction. Let's quickly do it. Just add all these directions here. And now, if you play, you'll see the magic happening. Wow, as you could see, now the smoke effect is moving, right? You can adjust the speed up. You can either increase the speed or you can either decrease the speed up. In this case, we'll keep it 1. Now, also you can add a text inside this video, or you can write anything you want, right? You can change the font color, you can change the font size, opacity, bold, italic, and a lot more cool stuff, right? If you don't want, just hit on delete. If you can insert an image from your computer, you can delete like a few objects. Let's assume you don't want this arrow, just click on it and just hit on delete, right? This works in the same way. If you want to reset this entire image, just hit on this reset button. If you want to add more effects like snow, rose petals, smoke, birds effect, butterfly, bouquet, right? Card transition, like a lot of cool effects here, like fire. You just click on anything and an effect will be added, right? In this case, let's quickly add a snow effect, right? Just wait and give it a few seconds. And as you could see, the smoke effect is added and the smoke here is moving perfectly. So how cool is this? This is the power of 3D live motion photos app. And you can just click on export and just enter your loop, right? How many seconds do you want the video to be? In this case, let's keep 10 and just hit on download video. Your video will be rendered and downloaded. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. So it's simple. Just start the application. Now here you can do two things. Either you upload an image from your computer or select from the stock photo. In this case, let me upload an image real quick from my computer. Just wait for a second. Okay, cool. Now this is the image. It's super simple. Now as you can see, there are like a lot of brush colors here. You can toggle around that. You can increase your brush size if needed, decrease it. In this case, let's just keep it constant and choose this color, and you can start mapping out around the body. It's not necessary that it should be perfect. It's just if you could do like a basic kind of mapping, like how this is done, right? And just like select another color and like map around this one, this thing, just like this. And like same, right? Even if you want to proceed, you can do that. You can follow this kind of way for best practice, right? For more accurate results and for more best results, right? And just hit on proceed. It's that simple. Map out the bodies and just hit on proceed. And once you're done, just like wait for like a few seconds, like maybe a minute for this to render out, right? It's not gonna take more than a minute. Now there's also a refresh button here. You can just refresh it and check it if your video is rendered or not, right? That's how you can do it. And like maybe wait for like a minute and the video should be done. Alright, as you can see, the video is now done. Now it's just simple. You have to click on this create video button, right? and once you click on that, a dashboard like this will open. Now as you can see, this image is like a 3D moved image. Now it's simple, right? You have to track the motions right now. What do I mean by motions is you have to track how this image should be moved, right? As you could see the movement in the image right now. So in this case, let's do it just like this. This is the movement of the image I want it to be. Now once it's done, let's play this. Whoa, this is the magic right here, right? So this is how it's done. It's super simple, super easy to use, and once it's done, you can just hit on export, and if you want to reset it, just click on reset and reset it, and let's quickly export it. And as you can see, it's just gonna take like 10 seconds and your video is good to go. And just hit on download and your video is downloaded. Let's preview it real quick. Wow, this looks really neat and good. Alright, this is it for this video. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you very soon.